conversational AI app, which is like a virtual agent that talks conversational. And we have the same capacity for text-based conversations and communications through SMS, through email, through any type of typed channel. We have the same type of technology. But this one to me is really exciting. Now, just to say very quickly, the application use case for this technology is very vast. What we're doing is we're basically using our ad AI, pushing a button, running things through here, and on the outside of that machine, we're pre-scheduling 15-minute calls. It's pretty much allowed us to promote about 5 people that were doing outbound calling into new roles and new departments, and we're working through that now, and it's just very exciting, the capacity of this. There is one of the largest debt collectors in the country, $4 billion company, love them, hate them, it doesn't matter. My point is they're actually deploying this tech, and they're going to be replacing 20,000 of their live agents utilizing this tech. So that's the outbound side. You can also use it to downsell. So the non-qualified people, this thing can automatically downsell. You can also use it on the back end for customer support. So if you have a business that has inbound calls, you can have this work through tier 1, tier 2, right? So there's always going to be things that a human needs to do, but there's also things, recurring things, repetitive things that this application can do. We're also in the process of launching it so that our clients, our members can actually call it and have a little bit of dialogue to help answer their questions because it's conversational. What's very powerful about this that most people miss is, of course, a human will always do better than AI. However, human team can get sick, they can get distracted, they can have babies, they can need vacations. So I've always built my businesses forward leaning into best technology, best software. And so what's very powerful about this application is you can program it, you can load it with a list of leads, and it can automatically call these folks to do whatever you want to do, invite them to things, promote things, sell things, or you can structure it so that when somebody opts into something, you can have the thing call them back right away. So now what you have is you have speed to lead that's very consistent. 24/7, 365, you can get your speed to lead down to 2 to 3 minutes, which is extraordinarily powerful and gives any business using this a serious competitive advantage.